What structure pumps blood in an earthworm? Please subscribe, like, comment your score. Answer: aortic arches. Do octopuses have ears? Answer: statocysts. Which animal's fur can reach 160,000 hairs per square centimeter? Answer: sea otter. Caterpillars breathe through small holes called what? Answer: spiracles. How many legs do chickens have due to their ancestral lineage? Answer: 2. Which animal has only 2 limbs and hops? Answer: kangaroo. Which animal has no limbs? Answer: python. Through which part do snakes inject venom? Answer: fangs. A bird uses its beak for which functions? Answer: all of these. Which animal has canine teeth among the options? Answer: leopard. Which animals do not have gills? Answer: both A and B, whale and dolphin. Which animal has the strongest front legs? Answer: tiger. Which use of elephant trunks is false? Answer: eating grass. Which animal has the longest legs? Answer: giraffe. The densest fur belongs to which animal? Answer: sea otter. Why do worms have 5 hearts? Answer: for blood flow. Snakes expel venom through what structure? Answer: fangs. True or false? Bird beaks help in feeding young. Answer: true. What do statocysts help octopuses detect? Answer: sound waves. Marsupials, like kangaroos, primarily use which limbs? Answer: hind legs. Which mammal lacks gills? Answer: dolphin. Fangs are used by venomous snakes to do what? Answer: inject venom. A bird's beak is never used for what? Answer: vocalizing. How many legs do kangaroos have? Answer 2. A python uses what to kill its prey? Answer, constriction. What is the largest organ in the human body? Answer, skin. How many bones are in a normal adult skeleton? Answer, 206. Where are the smallest bones, ossicles, found? Answer, ear. Which bone forms a helmet over the brain? Answer, cranium. How many pairs of ribs does an adult human have? Answer, 12. What is the largest muscle in the human body? Answer, gluteus maximus. What are metatarsals? Answer, foot bones. Atlas and axis are vertebrae in which region? Answer, neck. Where is the organ of Corti located? Answer, ear. What is the correct path of airflow to the lungs? Answer, mouth, larynx, tracheal, bronchi, alveoli. The heart is part of which circulation system? Answer, systemic. Which organ regulates water, salts, acids, and proteins? Answer, kidneys. Which organ filters old blood cells and stores blood components? Answer, spleen. What is the second largest organ in the body? Answer, liver. Where is the liver located? Answer, high right abdomen. What is human anatomy the study of? Answer, structure. What does human physiology study? Answer, body functions. The brain is divided into how many parts? Answer, 5. What is the name of the vibrating membrane in the ear? Answer, eardrum. Where is the sacrum located? Answer, lower back. How many bones are in the human ear? Answer 3. What is the average weight of the adult human brain? Answer 1.4 kilograms. How many muscles are in the human body? Answer over 600. Which body part has the fastest dividing cells? Answer hair bulb. At what speed can a sneeze travel? Answer 100 miles per hour.